Uma Fashions. This is Uma again. Here I come up with decorating the patches for the kids lehenga. It's a lehenga which I have already. It's a lehenga which is ready to wear, and here I'm attaching this and decorating with these patches. Guys, I have already given how to make the patches on Ari work tutorials in my previous videos. So here I'm showing you how to decorate with this. See, it's a lehenga for the kids. For 2 years kids, I have made this lehenga. It's a traditional lehenga. For this Diwali, I'm making this. So here, what I'm doing, I'll decorate in the downside with these patches, because the blouse is in green color, so I'm taking the green color patches. So keep remember that opposite colors always looks better, contrast colors. So these patches was made by me, and I have keep it ready. I have given already how to make this. So here I'm simply showing you how to decorate with these patches. See guys, here you can, if you want, you can sew it. Otherwise you can glue it very simply. It's a ready-made, no? So it's, if for ready-made lehengas also you can make it like this, but it was sewed by me. So here what I am doing, I took one mold here. I just kept it inside, just below the lehenga where I want to glue it. So here what I'll do, I'll take the Fevicryl branded fabric glue here. So I'll take these glues and I'll simply attach this glue to these patches. Apply this glue. So simple and easy. It's not mandatory that you should sew this, because it's if you want, you can also sew these patches. So see, I have shown that how to make these patches, but if you want any ready-made patches also, you can buy it from the stores, because there are a lot of different kind of patches available in the market ready-madely. So if you can't do these kind of patches, so you can buy it from the market also. So here I'm so simply and just keeping just 1 inch gap and just giving to that border and attaching. So already I simply I kept this board, so inside glue will not be attached into that lining cloth, so it will be easy for you. Okay, so just imagine that, give a gap and attach it. Okay, so it's very simple. Give some gap. First you complete the border, then you can start middle part of the lehenga. Okay, so here, so simple, and it also looks very nice, gives you very rich look to this part. Okay, so here on front side I'm just simply completing this. You can apply in the fabric, otherwise you can apply this glue to this patch and keep it like this. Keep remember that on the wet time only you need to remove the fabric from this cardboard, otherwise it will be sticked. Okay, so here also I will here I am keeping a minimum distance here. Randomly I am keeping the distance here. Okay, so the down part of this lehenga front side was completed. See here, you can see like this. Okay, once I'm done with all the patches attaching, and show you the complete process. Okay, so here also I'll do. Just I'm keeping the adjacent to this border, okay? Not exactly adjacent to this border. I'm just keeping at least 1 inch gap in between the border and patch. If you want, you can also keep these patches just adjacent to this one. Also, you can make it like this. Okay. So if you want, you can also make like this in the middle of the part, but let me complete the back side also, so that it will be easy for me to do the middle part of this lehenga. Okay, so I just completed this front and back side of the border. Now I'll start with this middle part of this lehenga, how I'll decorate. So it's also I'm just keeping like this, simply attaching these parts. Okay, it's a very small kind of decoration we are making, but it will give you a very rich look if you attach any kind of patches like this. For any dresses also you can make like this, any cotton dresses or silk dresses. If you make it on your own, you can decorate yourself. Otherwise, if you buy any ready-made plain dresses or any kind of lehengas, plain lehengas or plain saris, you can make like this. With this small kind of patches, you can design yourself and give a rich look to this kind of fabrics. Okay, it's all fabric creations, it's a part of fabric creations. So it's a fabric glue, guys, so it won't be like, you know, detached anymore. So it's a fabric glue. I'm decorating the inside part for front side. I'm simply keeping some kind of distance here. Here also I'll give one. So here is the outlook after completing this patchwork, guys. So here the border part and the inside of that lehenga I have given. Okay, so that's it, guys. Hope you people have liked my video. Please give a like button and share it in your communities. And I'll request you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also click on bell button to get immediate notification about my channel. So thanks for the watching, and we'll come up with new video on my next video. Thank you.